Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost for AI. If you're looking for a code editor that is very simple and easy to use, very clean, and you can edit almost any kind of codes, and not only that, you can also run them directly from it without switching to other terminals or other command prompts, then yes, you are in the right place. We are going to install the Visual Studio Code right now in the Windows 11. So we have just now updated from Windows 10 to Windows 11. This is the place you have to look for. And without any further ado, let's start. To download VS Code, we are going to go straight to the website. We're going to search VS Code and the website should come up on the first. And here you have the download button. We're going to wait for some time. After the download is complete, we can open the file. Here is the license agreement. We accept it. Click on next. We have to choose the path where we want to install the VS Code. So we're going to keep it as it is. Next. Select a start menu folder. You can either create it or not create it, up to you. Create desktop icon. Register. So here are the few things, checkboxes that you have to take care. And I think you can keep it as it is because it is already added to the path. You can already register to code as the editor for its supported file type. So if there is a .c file, it will open straight in the VS Code editor. Click on next and install. So wait for the installation to complete. And that's it. So we are going to finish it, and this is going to launch the VS Code editor. So the first time you open the VS Code, it's going to give you some options, what kind of theme you want to choose. So I will always go with the dark theme. And if there is some other kind of themes that you want to download or anything. So let's just say mark as done, and next section. Now you can open a new file or open a folder or whatever. So in the VS Code editor, there you can see we have our Explorer where we can see all the files and folders and workspaces. We can search for any specific things. Here we have a connection with a source control like a Subversion or a Git. And we also have the running platforms to debug and run. And finally, we have the extensions. This is one of the most important part of VS Code, from where we can install different types of extensions for different types of programming languages. Here, straightforward, you can see Python, C++, Java, Lint, and so on. But this is for another video. So if you like this short videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and stay in touch. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a very nice day.